Today we are going to be learning how to use this handheld heat press from Temu. It's a press nut from Temu. So it's a 16, I think the 12 by 16 inch heat press. So we'll start by, of course, switching on our socket. When we switch on our sockets, then we'll switch it on from here. We switch it on from here. So you because I've been using this heat press before, so it's already like it has that automatic setting for 350, because that's what I use, 350 for either 60 seconds or 50 seconds. But peradventure you want to set the heat press to your required setting, you press it here and you increase it to the setting you want. Then you press it again. Even though it's showing these other numbers, it will still go back to the required, like the numbers you already set it to. When it gets to that, it will stop. Then you press it again. You press it again to just lock it in. Then now we want to go into our timer. If you want to operate the timer, because it's 15 seconds here, you want to operate it to 60 seconds. You want to operate it to 60 seconds. You press here, increase the, sorry, you press it here, you press this one to make it stay, so it's not so. You press this timer, you can see the timer is moving. Anyone that is like beeping, that's the one that can be adjusted at that time. So you can just increase it to whichever seconds you want. Let's just say you want to do it for 30 seconds. So 30 seconds, you set it this way. This temperature is still moving because it has not gotten to the required temperature that we wanted it to be in. So once you see you've gotten to the required temperature that we set it in previously, 320. Once it gets there, we are set to go. Then once you, this is the timer, like this is the time countdown. This is the timer, sorry, and this is the time countdown. So when you press here, it starts going down. You see, the time starts going down. Time starts going down. So it's actually fluctuating here, because if you put it, if you put it directly to a shirt, it can come down, but it's to still get to the required temperature, because this is already hot and you're not using it on any product or any t-shirt or anything. That's why it keeps on like fluctuating, because this is, so that's why the temperature is rising, because this is hot. But if it goes to a t-shirt, it can come down to maybe 348 or anything, then stabilize to the normal temperature which you want it to be. So that's how to use the heat press. So if you don't use Fahrenheit, you want to use centigrade, you press this place for a very long time. You press this temperature for a very long time. You change